In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change country in App Store on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to the App Store. Then just tap right here at your profile picture at the top right corner. After that, tap at your name at the very top. And then on the next step, once the page is loaded, we can easily find country/region. It is set to United States in my case, and all we have to do in order to change country or region is just tap right here. Then you will be taken to that step where just please keep in mind that changing your country or region will cancel any automatically renewing subscriptions. So all of your currently active subscriptions will be cancelled once you change your country or region. To continue, tap right here, then select another country from that list. We can just scroll it down until we find the country we need. They are sorted in the alphabetical order, and once we find a country we want to use, let's say I would like to change it to Panama. I can just tap at Panama, and on the next step we need to accept terms and conditions. Just hit at agree right over here. And then we'll be taken to the next step where we need to enter valid payment method for the country we've selected. In case of Panama, I can add just a credit or debit card here. However, depending on the country you've chosen, it may be also PayPal, your mobile number, maybe some other payment methods here. Down below, we need to enter our payment card details such as number, expiration date, CVV code. Down below here also it may ask you to enter your billing address, and then once it is done, to continue just hit at next, and then your country in the App Store will be changed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.